Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Honda Pilot alternator. Before starting, always prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery terminal. Make sure your engine is completely cool to prevent burns. You will need a few basic tools, including a 13mm wrench, a 10mm socket, and a serpentine belt tensioner tool. This process typically takes about 1 to 2 hours for most individuals. Now, let's get to disconnecting. First, use your serpentine belt tool to release the tension on the belt, then carefully remove it from the alternator pulley. Next, disconnect the main power wire, usually a 10mm nut, and the smaller electrical connector. There are typically 2 main mounting bolts, often 14mm, that hold the alternator in place. Once these are removed, you can gently wiggle and pull the old alternator free from the engine bay. With the old unit out, it's time to install your new alternator. Carefully guide the new alternator into its position, ensuring it aligns with the mounting brackets. Insert the 2 mounting bolts and hand tighten them before using your wrench to secure them firmly. Reconnect the main power wire, ensuring the nut is snug, and then plug in the electrical connector until it clicks into place. Double-check all connections for tightness. Almost done. Now, carefully route and reinstall the serpentine belt onto all the pulleys, ensuring it's seated correctly. Reconnect the negative battery terminal, making sure it's tight and secure. Start your Honda Pilot and observe the dashboard. The battery warning light should turn off, indicating the new alternator is charging properly. You can also use a voltmeter to confirm the charging voltage is between 13.5 and 14.5 volts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.